Hi everybody, this is Tina. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with Oldies but Goodies, Gen X Toons, ATC cards, hashtag Gen X Toons. You're welcome to join Sabrina and I on doing this. The list is on our Facebook group. Excuse me. We are only into May, so we're going all the way to December 25th. These are fun. When Sabrina and I came up with this, I don't even remember what we were doing, but all of a sudden I threw something out, she threw something out, and we came up with this. And some of these cartoons I didn't even remember. So Sabrina goes, "Do you remember this one?" I'd be like, "No." But this next one, is one that I don't think anybody forgets. Scooby-Doo. Yes. I love Scooby-Doo. So, what I did is I got a picture of... the paper's cool. It's actually got Scooby-Doo paper. Whoop. But, I found Scooby-Doo paper, and then I got their mystery van, and then I got the characters, and I wrote, "Scooby-Doo, where are you?" Shaggy. So that is Scooby-Doo. This is May 1st, everybody. So please, I'll have Sabrina's channel in the description box. Go check out, see what she came up with. Because we were sharing them for a while, and then we both decided not to share them anymore, so we both could be surprised. So there you go. I know Sabrina's come up with some really cool ones where they interact. So, as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.